Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Zoto Wabantu. Zoto Wabantu was booked to perform at Take It Easy Music Festival at Botswana. After the gig, she charged with a warrant of arrest for violating the law of Botswana and humanity ethic. It is not the first time Zoto Wabantu facing the charges like this. Even at Zimbabwe, she was banned after she refused to wear the panties. I thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it.